Hi, in this video tutorial, we will discuss all your problem which include how to install Oracle SQL Developer, how to connect SQL Developer to your database, how to create a new connection, and how to unlock the HR schema in Oracle 11g. So for the same, you need to download the Oracle SQL Developer and just go on your browser and type Oracle SQL Developer. After that, just go on the first link, which operating system you need to download. So just click here on the download. So here you can download for Mac, Windows 32, Mac OS, Linux. So I'm going to download for Windows 64-bit. So click on download. And when you are going to click, it is going to accept all the license agreement and click on download. So at the first time it will ask you to log in. If you haven't created an account, so you can just create an account for the Oracle, and here you can just put up all your details like email ID, phone number and everything. And phone number can be anything. You can put it a dummy phone number, and the company name can also be dummy. So only the thing is the email ID should be correct, and apart from that everything can be fine. I'm going to log into my account and I'm going to pause the video when I click on the sign in. So see, once you sign in, the SQL Developer will get started and it will be downloaded in a system. So it's a large file, so it will take some time. And now the file has been downloaded and you can check the file in the download section. So in the download section we got the file, that is a zip file. So either you can use any of the system like 7-zip, or you can extract the file using the WinRAR. So I'm going to unzip it right now. So you can also do it with the help of a WinRAR in your system, and the file will be extracted here. So only to install SQL Developer, just you need to extract the file, nothing else. After the file has been extracted, so go to the folder, and at the bottom you will find out an application to run your SQL Developer application. So double click here and the application will be started. So after your application gets started, you need to make a connection. So after a successful extracting of file, you can run the application, and after running the application, you can start making a connection with your Oracle SQL Developer. So on the right hand side, everything is related to Oracle, and on the left hand. And now first of all, we will be logged to the system administrator or a sys user. Okay, so sys user is a system administrator, and we are going to create a, so first click on the plus sign on the left hand panel. Just type name as sysdba, means you wanted to log in as a sysdba. Put the password sys as sysdba. Put the password which you have given for the installation. If you don't know how to install Oracle 11g, you can refer the above link. So just put the password which you have given for the root user or the system user, and make sure you come in the service name and just you put capital XE. Okay, XE means Express Edition, and just click on test. If you click on test and you get success in the last, means here, so that means you have successfully created a connection with the system administrative user. So this is the user who will be responsible to create a new user, because it has all the permission, it has all the privileges. So click on connect, and you see the connection has been established. Now you have to click on this sys as sysdba, so a worksheet will be open, and in this worksheet we will be writing down some commands to see whether the user has been, the HR user or the HR schema has been unlocked or not. So for the first thing, you have to say alter user HR account unlock. This is the first command that you have to run, that is alter user HR account unlock, and run it. So you see at the bottom you get alter user HR account altered, so that means we have unlocked the HR user successfully. After that, now the one thing is how to run this particular command. If you are interested to run this command, you have to select this whole line and you can click on this green icon. Okay, otherwise you can also use a shortcut key, like put your cursor on the same line and put Control Enter, so it will execute this particular command again. Now you need to set the password for the HR user that you have created. Now to set the password, so just again run a command alter user HR. So I am interested to alter the HR user. Then say identified by HR. So means you have to set the password of this HR user to HR only. So the username is HR and the password will be HR. And run this command using the control enter, and you see the user HR account has been altered. Now we have to create a connection for this HR user, and now we can log into this HR for looking at the demo schema that we have. So give a name as any name that you like, HR user. Make sure the username is HR and the password is again an HR. Then go on the service name and again put capital XC and click on test. So you see success, so that means you have successfully unlocked the HR schema and you have set the password for it. And in the last, click on connect. So when you click on connect, so every time a new worksheet will be created and you can see the HR connection has been established. And if you click on the plus sign, you can see the lot of tables, the filters, the view that you have on the table. So you see I have some dummy tables, I have some database, so everything is there. What are the views that I have created already that are present? So might be in your system the views and other things might not be present, but you can create it later on. So that is how we create the connection. We unlock the HR user and we made the connection with it. Now in case you are interested to run a query, so you can run any query to see whether the things are working fine. So you can select all the data from the employees table to see whether the employees table is present or not, and make sure you will get the output. So this is how we unlock the user. If you think, okay, if you have any issues, you can put that issues in the comment, and I hope everyone has enjoyed this video. So kindly like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates in the future.